Show me push-ups. Show me push-ups, Karis. Gotta do more than one. All right. Can you show me a pike tuck layout? Here we go. Ready? Watch out, Quinn. Ready? Go. Okay. Okay. Show me pike. Show me pike. Pike. Now show me tuck. Show me tuck.
Layout.
Tuck. Layout. Where's the layout? What's that? Pike.
Making a video.
Show me splits.
Making a video.
Splits.
Mommy, are you making a
I
video?
am. Yes, I'm making a video. It's going to be full of your voice going, are you making a video? Are you making a video? Show me layout.
Karis, come on. Layout. Do a layout.
Tuck. Layout. Pike. Can you show us kick?
Kick.
Splits.
Where's the split?
Just cut your hands so your hands are dead.
She's our trained dog.
So your hands are dead.
She can almost jump. Yeah, very nice.
Go, stop it.